Patch. Gates open, they're up and racing. Itchy Perfect draws for your lead. Tucker's Diamond in second. Moving up by the rail is Amsterdam, then Ori outside. Mr. Savior, she's gorgeous. Sobrang Class comes next, then followed by Angelus. Running alongside Benny Goodman, followed by Spectacular Ridge. While Face to Face is trailing the group about to pass the half mile pole. Itchy Perfect in command by about 3 lengths. Running now in second, Amsterdam moving up by the rail. Tucker's Diamond, Mr. Savior. Sobrang Class is racing in fifth. She's gorgeous also in there as they rounded the 600. Itchy Perfect still a solo leader by about 3 lengths. Amsterdam running in second. Moving up by the rail. Tucker's Diamond the favorite. Itchy Perfect, Tucker's Diamond by the rail. Amsterdam running on the outside. Itchy Perfect still leading the field. Amsterdam moving up. Mr. Savior, Tucker's Diamond. Itchy Perfect, Amsterdam. Mr. Savior moves up to grab the lead. And finally, Mr. Savior, Amsterdam. Sobrang Class, Itchy Perfect, Tucker's Diamond for your Pentafecta.